in order to get this light from out of here, you have to move that piece from there. You have to. Now that piece is off of there. These are the points to take this light off. You're gonna move that screw from there. Move that one from there. Okay. Go move those two screws from there. Those two black screws from there. And over here, this is move that screw from there. That one and that one, and this light comes out. Those are the points to take out this light and that bumper. All right. I'll go handle your business. That's 2 on top, number 10. That's 2 on top. That's 2 on the bottom. Remember, it's the black ones. One right there. One right there. Now this light to slide out. What you gonna do? You're gonna pull it from out the hole. Alright guys, what you guys want to do is take the clips from off of this, the clip, go to the clip puller and pilot the clip. You're going to bring the light out some and hold the bottom and just gently shake it out of there. Because what they want you to do is to take off the bumper to get the light. You don't have to. Just gently hold it and shake it out of there. See, it comes out. The reason why, because it got this piece that is stopping it. But all you gotta do is gently hold it and shake it. You're gonna pull this bad boy up and it comes out. And all you gotta do now is unplug it. They get hard sometimes. That's how you do that, guys, okay? In order to lose this plug, y'all see that red piece right there? Push that back. And then push that black piece down and pull the stuck out. That's how it comes out. Now let me show you guys how to take off this fender. I will show you the points first, and I will show you how to do it. Alright guys, I'm going to show you guys the points to take off this fender. Let's start in the bottom. You guys see those 2 screws? 1, 2. You gotta get those 2 screws from there. But in order to get those 2 screws from there, you gotta move this bracket out the way. In order to move this bracket from out the way, y'all see that screw? It's 3 of them. One is right there, another one is there. See? It's 3 of them. Move those 3 screws from there. It's 1, 2, and the other one is down there. 3 of them. And once you get off this bracket, you have access to the screw. If you don't feel like taking off this bracket, all you gotta do is lose those 2 screws. But you gotta lose them from the back, okay? If you try to lose it from here, it will not move because those are nuts. Those are not screws, those are nuts. And those are welded on there. So if you want to just loose it from this direction, you gotta move the 2 screws here from the back, and then this portion of the fender will be loose. Now for the top section, you got 1 screw right here, another one right there, another one there. There's also a screw down here, but you gotta move this piece out your way, okay? You gotta move this piece out your way. You hold it. Move this piece out your way, all the way, okay? Once you move that piece out your way, the screw's right there. Y'all see it? It's down there. It's a star tip. But be careful not to break this goddamn glass. Y'all see this glass? Be careful not to break this glass. But the screw is right there. Once you move that screw from there, open this door. There's another one right there. Okay? One right there. Another one right there as well. There's another one right inside of there. You're gonna see it. Right inside of there. But to get to that screw, you gotta move this piece. This liner. You gotta move this liner to get to it. All you gotta do is move those screws right there. 1, 2, and set this thing back. There's 2 screws down here as well. Move those screws from off of there. You're gonna move this piece out the way. And you're gonna set this piece back, and you're gonna get access to the screw. And then down here, you're gonna come to the bottom, and you're gonna move those 2 screws from there. Okay? And then this fender should be able to come from off the car. Alright? Now stay tuned, I'll show you guys how to do it. Comes right out. It's 3 of those. Now, move those 2 screws from there. You can do it this way or the other way that I showed you guys already. Now you're going to move the screws from the top. Get those screws on there, we're going to close the hood down. Alright guys, that screw that's down there, that's a T30. That's between it, it's a T30. I also put some tape around here so the metal won't rub against the glass. We also put some tape on the edge of the glass, alright? Just to loosen. It's best to do it by hand so you won't crack that glass. Okay, the screw is loose. You don't have to take the screw out all the way, just halfway, because that screw have a split in it. There you go, you just slide it up. Now we're gonna move the screw from there. Alright, bro. We'll take that piece off, okay? And the two screws I'm gonna... Okay? Store them. Then you're gonna set back that liner. Push that piece back. Take that piece out of there. Push this out there. What it look like? It's the nut. Then you're gonna lose the screws on top inside there. Lose it halfway because I have to split. Just use it halfway. Now it's time to take off that fender. Hold it. Lift it up. Come right off, okay? I don't need glue right there, but that's nothing. That's how you do it, guys. That's how you take it off, all right? I'm gonna show you guys how to take this door apart. But that process will be on my next channel. The thing is in the box. Besides from that, work your way and check it out.